So first things first, we're going to be making a garage and doing the foundation in Chief Architect X5. We're going to do File, open it up here. And first thing, we're going to define our exterior walls. And let's make it 22 feet by 22 feet. Now the interior dimensions of this are really 21 by 21. Each wall is 6 inches wide, and the dimensioning outside to outside. Then we're going to double click on the room and go to General, and then specify it as a garage. That way the floor design is set to be a garage. Next thing, we can go ahead and just take our garage door and add it in. Let's take our garage. We have a little entryway. Some windows. Alright. Now to build the foundation, we're going to build, floor, build foundation. Or you can press Control F. All of this we're going to leave where's the default settings and hit OK. And we're going to drive a new foundation from the first floor plan. That means that this plan that's right here is going to be what creates the foundation. So we're going to hit OK. And now here you can see we're on the 0 floor of the foundation, and you can see the foundation. Because you need a window. Alright. If you don't click here in the room, you can see some of the things about the foundation, but you notice that the options for setting the height are very limited as to what you can change and what you can't change. So in order to be able to fully edit the foundation and be able to create the garage at the correct level that we want with the adequate foundation, we're going to have to affect it from the top floor as opposed to the foundation floor. To do this, we're going to double click right here again, and then under the Structure tab, we're going to set the stem wall height. I'm going to set it to 43 inches. Depending on the area you're building in, it just has to be below the frost line. So in Connecticut, Northwest, it has to be 43 inches versus in the South, it would be considerably less. And the stem wall top, this C, is going to be at 0. And then floor to stem wall top, and floor, we're going to put negative 12 and 5/8. So you can see out here, now the stem wall is going to extend above the ground level, but the floor is still going to be at ground level. Alright. Now we want to look at our orthographic full overview. You can see now that the stem wall extends above ground level. Now we can go ahead and create our terrain primer to see how that lines up with what you're actually looking at. Now for your garage, sometimes it automatically does this. In this case, it has, and it cuts out a hole for the garage door. But if that's not the case for you, what you'll have to do is select your garage door, bring it up a little bit, and just gently bring it down until it stops moving downwards. That's going to ensure that your garage door is right flush with the floor of your garage. Go ahead and look at the inside of the garage. Now you can see that stem wall extends up into our garage as much as we specified. And of course, depending on exactly what you want, you can always go in here and change the structure, change how close your floor is to the actual terrain level. All of these are available to you. One thing you might notice is if Chief Architect does not automatically check this, when you make your foundation, you want to be able to check room supplies room supplies floor for the room above. This basically means that the foundation is the floor instead of having foundation, the headspace, and another floor. That's not making foundation for a garage and chief architect. X5.